Hello and welcome to Old Man Wisdom. Here I attempt to help you in your trading journey, but not just when it comes to trading Forex or stocks or shares, but also to help you learn how to manage money, how to start a business maybe, and how to generally be successful when it comes to making money in life. But this particular video is a simple one. It's to show you how to add an MT4 indicator to your MT4 chart, your Forex trading chart. Now if you look here, down here, you'll notice that there are a list of indicators. But the one we're going to attempt to add to the chart today is called the RSI dual. Now you notice it's not here. There's an RSI, but there's not an RSI dual. So how would you add this to the list of indicators here on the left? Well, quite simple. First of all, you'll right click the mouse and click copy. Then you'll go back to the chart and click on File at the top and come down to your Open Data folder. In here you'll have an MQL4 folder. Double click that. And in there you'll have an Indicators folder. So double click that. And all you need to do is paste the MT4 file into this list. There it is. But you'll notice that it doesn't automatically show here in this list. Now some people say that you should close the MT4 console down and reopen it again. Or, well, you could do that, or you could just simply right click and click refresh. And it will appear just here shortly. There you go, RSI dual. From here, it's simple. You just click and drag it over to your chart, and here you are. Here's your inputs. Here's the guy who coded the file. Some people like to add their own levels. That's very easy to do. Usually people add a 70 and a 30 level when they trade the RSI. Maybe add it as a color, so let's add red and just simply click OK, and there you go, you've got your levels. Look, here's your levels, and they're quite easy to see and quite easy to add. We'll just close this down now, and there you see the files added, the indicator added to your chart very simply. And this is how you would add a custom Forex MT4 trading indicator to your chart. If you wanted to remove it from your chart, it's very simple as well. You just click on the lines, right click, and you can delete the indicator. You'll notice that if you click back to the indicator list, it's still there for you to use at a later date. Again, you just drag it back to your chart. You'll notice that the levels have disappeared. You'd have to re-add them, but you just click OK, and there's the custom indicator added to your chart. So I hope that's helped. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please add them below. I'd like to hear your feedback, and of course don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon so that you can receive a notice when new videos have been posted.